Nope.
Motherfucker. Okay. Dude, watch your fucking step, boy. Jesus.
I got it. I can get it.
God. You little fuck. Get up. Oh, shit. Come on, piggy. All right. You all right? My man. Dude, never backstep. Never take a back step.
Well,
You ever seen the movie Gotti on HBO? You okay?
yeah, absolutely.
Jesus, fuck. You're bending the bit. You just fucked the hole up, brah.
Well, you freaking.
You're bending the bit. Shut the fuck up. Cause I got it. I got it. Who poured this shit?
I'm about to go.
Look, you're gonna have to go in right there at an angle, bud. That's the only
You
way
bend
to.
in the bit.
Cause I got it. No, hit it right here, right next to my finger. Start straight. Okay, now cock it right there.
You bend in the bit. You said.
Jesus, holy fuck. Back her out. I'll tell you what. Just go straight in, fuck it. We got a long enough street. What the hell is that? Alright, go.